how you do it.
Alright, well, you do it, and then once you select it, I'll start.
Oh, shoot. So that's the one.
Wait. Oh, ready? Well, after you finish that.
How many is
okay,
that?
there
Three?
you go.
3? Oh, dang. Come on. Up. No! It's stuck. You have to tilt it. You just have to tilt it. Just take out the stuff on top.
Kind of selection.
No, you just have to tilt it a little bit.
They're all loud now. Will it go off?
No, I don't think so.
You mean like an alarm or something?
Nah. Tony, tilt it. Tony, tilt it. Tilt it.
Tony, get in here, tilt it.
Tilt it.
Oh,
Alright, let's do this.
so dumb.
Let's do it.
Keep doing this so badly.
This might as well be the holy grail of vending machines right here.
Let's do it.
Oh my
Come on,
goodness.
come on. Oh, no! Come on, it's gonna work. It's gonna work.
It's gonna fall.
Come on.
Wait.
Right there.
Oh, dude, it's hanging there.
Yes!
No chips? Dude, it's not even
many?
opening.
Yeah, because there's so much.
It's not even opening.
There's too much crap in there. Dude, it's not so good.
Here we go. Oh my gosh! Are you serious? No way! No way! Wait.
You get a chip. Everyone gets a chip.
Alright, so moving on to the next clip here, we have a kid that hacks a vending machine, and he has a pretty clever method to actually get free stuff from the vending machine.
My trick was I wrinkled it a little bit, and then I typed the number super fast and I swiped it back. When it came back, I swiped it. Let's see if I can do it. Yes.
Alright, so moving on here to the next clip now, this kid actually hacks the vending machine and he ends up getting 2 drinks, and the way he did it is actually pretty cool.
Put your money in. And you're gonna need this type of machine that has the little cart thing. I'm gonna show you in a second. Put your money in. Alright. What you're gonna do is you're gonna order a drink. I'm gonna order B5. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the door and the thing is gonna come up. Hold on, I didn't do it. B4. B5's not working. Alright, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the door while it does that. And it's not gonna go through. So it's gonna try. It's gonna try again. And then what's it gonna do? It's gonna keep trying and it's gonna stop. It's gonna give you your money back. Give you your money back. And you still have no product. So what you're gonna do, get all of it. Now hold on. Alright, I put 150 in. Now you're gonna order a different one. I'm gonna order something else. I don't know, just a random drink. Now you're gonna stop the door again, and it's gonna give you 2 drinks. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Bye.
So this next vending machine hack right here, we have a kid that actually puts a dollar bill in and he picks whatever he wants, gets a bag of cookies or whatever, and somehow he figures out how to actually get his money back. It's pretty cool.
So, I have $1 here, and I want C3 Chex Mix, because it's one of the healthiest things in here. Like, look at all this stuff. Ooh, Sun Chips is probably healthier, but I like Chex Mix. I like Sun Chips. So insert $1 bill face up. Come on. Oops, as shown. So $1 that way. Okay. And bill faced up. Let me put this down for a second. God, I hate these old sheets. Okay, so I've inserted $1, and that is C3. So there's only $1 credit, nothing down here. So really quick, let's punch in the code star star pound star pound star pound star pound, and then we're going to hit C3. And then I got that, but look, there's no change in the change machine, and then you just want to hit this coin return button right here. Bingo, and you get $1 back from the coin return slot. 75. So you can go ahead and count it out. 25, 50, 75, $1. That's how you override a vending machine CPU.
So the last clip we have today is from Brady, and Brady's gonna teach you how to hack a vending machine. And the way he does it, everyone does it in a pretty clever method, but this guy does it in a pretty cool way.
I'm gonna get a B5. Here's my $1.50. So B5. So, and then over here, you put your hand in there, and then so it won't let it come out. And then you have to do that until it goes away. And then it goes away down there. So as it's going down, and then it will come back. And then you do that again. Should say homing X right here. So, and then grab homing Y. Then put another in. Put it in a dollar. It like put my drink down there. Again.
Did it come back up?
Not yet. So you have to put another $1.
Well, that seems strange. I don't put anything else in. That's it.
Wait. No! I already put my money in, so I'm gonna do the same combination.
Alright.
And it gives me the right drink. Yay! See? Can I have an error?
It should give you that. Yeah, it's giving you that. And then they're spitting it away.
So there you guys have it. That was some awesome vending machine hacks. If you guys end up enjoying this video, make sure you guys go ahead and drop a like. Also, if you're new here, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on notifications so you guys never miss a future video from us. And that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.